Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to take another walkthrough of one of our certified pre-owned inventory units. This unit behind me is a 2020 high roof Do model. And then if you take a look at the roof, it has roof rails, a 52 front inch light bar, the passenger side overhead work light, the Thule hideaway crank awning, and then it does have solar power on top, which helps trickle charge your power system. All right, let's take a look at the back of the van. So here on the back side of the van, there is the rear overhead work light, and then we'll just take a look at the inside. So the staple of the Do model is really the Murphy bed system. So you're getting a good look at it here. This is the full platform, but it has a hinge right here which can actually be folded back. So if you just want to utilize the single platform, that is an option as well. And then the whole bed can actually be folded up against the wall to give you the entire workspace. Right here, so this is cool in a Do model. This is the gear slide. There's a knob right here, and you just pull the tray out. It has multiple locking positions, so that way if you are on a hill, it doesn't just come flying out at you because it does weigh quite a bit. And then that gear slide can hold 750 pounds evenly distributed. And then here is the shore power cord. So it's just hanging there nicely on one of these hooks. So you can plug in and run the air conditioning. This does have the DC powered air conditioning. We'll take a closer look at that here in a minute. So this fan also has the thermal curtains with pockets, which helps maximize your storage space. You can fit tons of shirts, clothes, toiletries, whatever. You can utilize that space for storage. All right, so we're going to take a closer look. This van has the lithium power system. So it has lithium power with a 2000 watt inverter. There's tons of switches up here for all of your lights, so you can dim your accent lights, your dome lights. And those switches are actually located at 3 different points in the van. One right here, one over the passenger side slider door, and then one overhead the driver and passenger seats. This van also is equipped with a storage tower. So on the right side of the battery system, there is an additional storage area with the bungees that just let you put in all of your gear. You can just reach in, grab it. It's really convenient. Okay, so this van is utilizing the single slide out base for the toilet. Also, the smaller Dometic fridge fits in that space. And then this is the sink module and a cubby module. This van currently has the Dometic CFX 55 IM, but you can opt for the smaller one, or there is a dual compartment one with a freezer fridge side option. Here's another look at the front side of the bed system, and then back here is the removable portable water system. It's got the 6-gallon jerry can, the spray nozzle, and that whole thing can actually pop out of the van. And then what it is sitting on is the S-bar furnace, which runs off of your car's gas tank, your van's gas tank. And it's very efficient. One nice thing about it is if you happen to run low on fuel, it will cut off. It'll cut itself off so that you're not stranded without any gas. So it's just a really intelligent system in that regard. And then up top, we have the 30-inch hanging cabinets. These are removable, movable. You can put them wherever fits your needs best in the van, and they just help maximize the storage space a lot. So this van is equipped with the Max Fan air vent and the DC powered Dometic air conditioning. One thing that's nice about that DC powered air conditioning is it can run off of our lithium power system, so you do not have to be plugged into shore power to run that. So this van is equipped also with a 22-inch smart TV, which is a great option for those of you that like to watch your shows on the road. I know it's not for everyone. It is a removable option if for some reason you do not want that in your van. I personally, I'm going to want to watch the Chiefs game even if I'm camping. So I would personally opt for it, but I know it's not for everyone. So just talk to your gurus there and they can help kind of tweak things inside the van for you. It does not have to be set as is. Another great option that we have in this van are these bug walls, which are great for those cool days where you just want to open up the van, enjoy the fresh air, but you don't want the mosquitoes and other bugs getting inside. So this van is available, and if you are interested in learning more about this van, the link is in the description below. It has a complete breakdown of the van build and all the components that are included. And also, if you have any questions about the build or components you'd like to add or take away or other units that we may have available, the link to the contact page is also in the description below.